We're at it again, another camping trip, this time to the west part of the state of Michigan. Right now we don't have a plan except for going to Pioneer Park Campground. Is that what it's called? Yes. The place does not take reservations, and we called a half hour ago and there's one spot left. So prayers we make it in 40 minutes and there's one left. If not, we're gonna be roughing it, because all we have is reservation for tomorrow night at, what's it called? Silver Lake Campground, and that is in Mears, Michigan. So this should be interesting. Hopefully we get tonight's site. We'll see. This is what it is in Michigan all summer long, just like Kid Rock says. All summer long construction. Any words over there, Giggler?
5 Liberitos are good.
Alright. GoPro.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Just got here and it says campground is full. Literally, it was just open, what, 45, 50 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Let's go double check, because we don't have a plan B at the moment. This sucks. I pray to God it's still open, we'll see. Well, we had a miracle. One site left after it said they were full. So, out of all the sites, here's the map we got. We're on the one, 225 for RVs. Don't care, it's the furthest one away, but at least we got one. Site 225, we're here. Got the woods in the back. 2 picnic tables, I guess. Fire pit. Looks like a real campsite, huh?
Hell yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful trees.
Where to sleep though, I guess.
Yeah. I mean,
this little spot here where you can sleep on the gravel. Alright, let's set her up. And what do we always do when we get here, David?
Gotta crack it open one of these.
Let's do it. Cheers.
Let's go. Cobra Kai forever.
Johnny. Alright, Miguel. Not bad.
We've had one of these in a while. Get ready to hit the beach.
We gotta get the tank first. Then go. Got a little after 8.
It's 8:23.
8:23. Oh man, I can already tell it's gonna be beautiful. Oh dang. I want to get a view over here first. You guys can start walking down if you want. Oh my gosh. Man.
Keep off the dune.
This is beautiful, man.
It's got a pontoon boat on that big water bridge.
Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's head on down.
Oh shit. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be cool. Last minute come over option. Yeah. It's a nice place you got. Oh yeah. It's gonna be. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna be. I'm between a couple different places. This I gotta decide. Actually, on something.
This place is very odd. Everybody's going to sleep. It's like 9:30. People are up, but no big parties or nothing. Very peaceful if you have a family. You got kids wanting to go to bed. Neighbors are not doing nothing. I feel weird even having a fire at 9:30. It's like extremely dark. but nothing wrong with that. Alright, so for tonight we got stadium brats. What is that? Pasta salad?
Greek pasta.
Good enough for me.
Along with,
Good stuff, man.
along with succulent propane.
As Jim Leahy says, propane, propane. Propane, propane. Day 2. Got our stuff all packed up, ready to roll. So what do you think about this site overall?
Great site to have. A couple minutes from the water. Spacious sites. Awesome
Yeah.
campground.
It's just the weird thing was no alcohol beverages allowed. We didn't even know. Literally, I never heard of a campsite that didn't allow alcohol, but
Stars were insane last night, though.
nothing happened. Yeah, stars were insane. So we're on to, what's the place called? Silver Lake?
Silver Lake State Park.
Silver Lake State Park. All right, let's roll.